Prakash, what you will make now?
Now chicken shawarma.
Chicken shawarma. Okay, good. We'll see how we'll make.
Arba, आधी ला spicy. Spicy, huh? Come, واحد بس. خمسة عشرة.
خلاص خلي 2 10.
Ethnic?
ايه خلي 2 10.
Okay.
خلي شوي كويس ها.
صبري لا. أكل هنا.
اكل هنا ان شاء الله.
What is this? Lettuce. Okay, lettuce and chicken mix. Then you will take 1 khabuz because we will make 2. Okay, 2 khabuz. This garlic paste. Then spicy chili. Then potato chips. I mean French fries. Then all mix and put in the khabuz. Tahina paste. Then wrap. Then put in the roaster. Then another will make chili and potato chips and all keep together in the khabuz. Then tahina paste. Then wrap, put in the roaster. Then it will be now roasting finish. Take it, take in the wrapping paper, wrap it well, then it's ready. Another one, taking in the wrapping paper, wrap it, ready. Now ready for serve. Okay, thank you Prakash.